Stay tuned and I'm going to show you some of my favorite exercises for Dexter and his peanut. When people ask me if I could only choose one item for Dexter, and this is for Dexter's needs, what would it be? It'd be his peanut. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is teach your dog paws up, meaning for us 2 feet up on something. And as always, we want to do things in short moderation. So when I'm working with Dexter on his physical therapy exercises, it's only a few reps, a few different things, spread out maybe once or twice a day. Being on the peanut's always going to give it an instability, which is what kind of works that core. But I'm going to stabilize it by it's going to be in front of me and leaning against me so that it's not going to rock away. So your dog's going to want to go slow, unlike Dexter. So you're going to go that nose up. Okay, good boy. And I'm going to treat him here. I want to try to keep him as straight and even as possible. So the size of your peanut will depend on the size of your dog and what your goal is. So it's got a little bit of movement, which is fine for him. And then I'll tell him off. Good boy. Let him have that rest. Up. Good boy. And again, we can hold it, especially at the beginning. It's best to hold that peanut while they're getting used to finding their momentum. Good boy. Good. You can incorporate a weight. A watch. Yes. The other one that I really like for this is him walking with it. Ready? Now you can do a licky treat. So if you have like a toy that you can fill with food, you can do a licky. So now that he's up here, I'm going to take a step back and let that ball come forward. And you can see he's moving both his front feet and his back feet. And I want to go slow because I really want him to be able to get that balance. Oops. There's one down there somewhere. Good boy. And when he starts walking and his feet get too far this way, I'm going to let him catch up to kind of recenter them again. Good boy. The next one we're going to do is balance on the peanut. So with his steps, I'm going to help Dexter along the way. I'm going to touch him. I'm going to have my arms around him so that he doesn't slip off. Again, this is because I'm slowing him down because he gets so excited. So food, because I want to direct where we're going to go. I do have it butted up against this and it's butted up against me. So ideally this isn't going to do any moving. So my hand's underneath his belly. I'm luring him over. And he's got 4 feet on. Now if you see me let go, can you see him work it? And then I can help see? That's that core working. I want to try to keep him as straight as possible. Keeping that as straight as possible. Good boy. And after a few seconds, he'll get back up. Now if your dog has a good back, you can have him back up and then that'll help as well. Or you can kind of help him back up. Okay? Ready? Go ahead, back up. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. Now the other one you can do with this in this position is 2 feet on. So for being on the sofa too, it's going to give it again another bit of instability. So 2 feet on, and then you can do a bow. Good job. And then a stand. Good boy. And as always, talk to your dog's vet, especially if he has a medical issue. So if you enjoy watching Dexter do some of his exercises on his peanut, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can click the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to dive deeper into your dog's behavior, training, and care, check out my Patreon page. The link is below. Until next time, remember to pause and enjoy life, and we'll see you in the next video. Ready? Good.